What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Not just another video, another Miata video. Everybody loves Miata videos. And today we are looking at a modification that is super long overdue for this car. If you've watched any of the prior videos of the car, you might think the exhaust sounds pretty good, but it's actually the factory exhaust with some weathered modifications, aka there's a rust hole in it. So Tyler finally bit the bullet, and well, we've got this awesome ISR exhaust for the Miata. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and install it on the car. We've seen some videos on it. In theory, this thing should sound pretty amazing. But let's go ahead and open it up. A big roll of me opening it. Open her on up. Oh man, she's looking good. They sent you everything, and they even got the flanges up in here, every bolt that you need. Heck yeah.
Dude, that's a lot bigger than I was expecting.
Yeah, that thing is a huge diameter. I mean, massive.
Did I order the wrong one?
Oh no, you definitely ordered the right one. I'm... What?
Is that the cat?
Well, I don't think so.
I think that's a resonator.
I think that would be your resonator. That's pretty big for a resonator.
Oh,
But I do believe that is the resonator. Could be wrong. I'm guessing...
No, I think it is. Because it would bolt. This would bolt to the cat. This would bolt.
There.
Yeah.
Well, it's definitely... so this being a cat back, I'm guessing, is it smaller on that end, or... No, it's not. So I'm guessing it's 3-inch piping, like from the cat factory. Dude, hold on. Let me get a picture of that right there. Go up. Switch it up. Other way. No, no. Show me the front side.
Oh.
Right there. Little ISR welded into the exhaust. That's pretty sweet.
Oh, nice. O2 sensor.
O2 sensor. Got all the brackets. Hopefully no check engine lights, even though it already has one, so it wouldn't matter. Dude, this thing is going to be sweet.
Oh, wait. You want to know what that may be?
What?
It may not be O2 sensor. YMAP. Or, yeah, what was it called? The air fuel ratio.
AFR sensor?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Like if you do an aftermarket. Yeah,
I'm pretty pumped. I think this thing is going to sound awesome. Gosh. So this should be the exhaust tip in general that you're going to see from the outside, right?
Yeah.
Trying to get a good look at it there. Look at that thing. That is... That is a beefy exhaust pipe right there. Oh my god, I could fit the whole phone in there. Dude, that's wild. Uh-oh. We're going on an adventure. Hold on.
That is a lot bigger. I really hope I don't have to...
Dude. Move your hand. Oh my god. That's gonna be so cool. Dude, the diameter difference is going to be that it puts that puny stock pipe to shame right there. Yeah, like comparison wise, huge difference. Huge difference.
Like I say, I hope the exhaust is that big though. You know what I mean?
What do you mean?
Like, what if this is like a 3-inch and that's only a 2.5?
That's fair, but I feel like this is a bolt-on kit, you know?
I feel like it, but I didn't do that much research.
He said, "This sounds good. Order."
Yeah, pretty much. I'm actually curious now.
I'm gonna have to do some Googling. All right, let's do a quick little transition here. We're gonna.
Oh, thank you. Alrighty, so we're here the next day, getting the exhaust put on now. Now we did have to cut because none of my exhaust was supposed to have this flange, but it didn't. So we had to cut it all off, and we're getting ready to remount it all and get it mocked up here so we can get it back together. Alright, now that we got everything welded and adapted down, we got the full ISR exhaust in the car and all welded up. Don't judge the welds. We're going to be changing all that here soon anyways. But shout out to ISR. I'll give you the link to their website. They sell a whole lot more than just Miata stuff. They also sell 240SX's stuff and Nissan stuff all day long.